Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw on Google Docs mobile. So if you want to draw directly on Google Docs using your phone, in this ultimate guide, I'll show you how you can do it with the latest update step by step. So first you can open your Google Docs app, then either create a new doc or open an existing one where you want to add your drawing. Here I'm going to just open an existing one. Let's click on the pencil icon first to enable editing. And here, since Google Docs on mobile doesn't have a built-in drawing tool yet, here's some trick. You can use Google Keep to draw, then insert it into Docs. So on PC, if you want to add the drawing, you can just simply click on insert and you'll find the drawing options. But as you guys can see here, on the mobile version, there's no such feature yet. So let's just use Google Keep to draw. So you can just open Google Keep Notes in here, and here you can just open or start a new notes in here and click on drawing. And now you can just draw anything you want using your finger or stylus. Let's say I'm going to just draw a random shape like this. Okay, like you can just draw anything and then you can just save the note when done. Here you can just go back and it will automatically save like this. And now here you can just screenshot the drawing. Unfortunately there is no save feature here or download feature, only the image. You can just click on the drawing and then screenshot it, and then you can just go back to your Google Docs, and here you can just click on the plus icon here and click on image, choose from photos and select the screenshot before. And this is it. If you want to resize or drag resize or reposition it, you can just tap on the three dots icon and enable the print layout. Click on the drawing and here you can crop the image. Click on image options and here you can adjust also the position and everything. So that's pretty much all. I hope you like this tutorial. It's how you can draw in Google Docs on mobile. No PC needed. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.